ask you 6 questions about the same thing. But it's fine to do all 6 now because you guys still need to practice it. So hulle begin deur vir jou te sê, as ons het 2 tan 25 grade is gelyk aan P, bepaal elk van die volgende verhoudings in terme van P. Okay, so let's start off by drawing our triangle. So remember, you draw a triangle for yourself, indicate your 90-degree angle, and now we're going to fill in information on that. En toe het ek ons julle gesê, 2 van die sye kry ons van die vraag af. So 2 of the sides I get from the question. How do I calculate the third side? Pythagoras. Okay. Een van die hoeke kry ons van die vraag af. Then I know it has to have a 90-degree angle. So how do I get the other angle? By using some angles of triangle. Okay. Goed, so ek gaan net eers hierdie ene gaan skryf as tan van 25 grade is gelyk aan P op 2. I just divide by 2 on both sides. Okay. Now, I fill in the 25 degrees and then I work with this. So tan is always adjacent, yeah, opposite over adjacent. Okay. So met ander woorde, daai P is opposite, die 2 is adjacent. Then to calculate R, I'm going to say it's P squared plus 2 squared. So R is equal to square root of P plus 4. Nope. P squared plus 4. Okay. Maak het saak as dit sê 4 plus P kwadraat. Doesn't matter because they're both positive, so you can switch them around. It doesn't matter. Okay. En ek gaan vul hom in. There's one more piece of information that I can fill in now, and it's this one. What will this angle be? Okay, good. Now I'm going to start. So I'm going to say for 2.1, they're asking me for the tan of 155. In which quadrant is 155? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, we say 180 degrees minus. 180 degrees minus what? 25. Tan is negative in quadrant 2. So I've got negative tan of 25. So this can be written as negative P over 2. Almal by? Good. 2.2, it says sine of 205. Hierdie eerste paar is, ek wil amper sê, redelik straightforward, so ek gaan hulle redelik vinnig doen. Derde kwadrant is 180 grade plus 25. Sin is negatief in die derde kwadrant. So I'm looking for negative sine of 25 degrees. Now I have to go to my triangle and say, I'm working with the 25 degrees. Sin is oorstaande op skyns. So dit gaan wees negatief P op wortel P kwadraat plus 4. Good. 2.3 cos van 335 grade is cos van 360 grade minus 65, nee 25 nog steeds. So it's positive cos of 25 degrees. So dit gaan wees 2 op dit. Okay. 2.4 is tan van 65 grade. En daarvoor kan ons nou hierdie 65 grade net so gebruik and we read off the value will be 2 over P. Nee? Got that? En hy bly positief want hy's 'n skerphoek en 'n skerphoek is in die eerste kwadrant en alles is positief in die eerste kwadrant. Okay, so ek gaan in 360 grade bytel. I'm adding 360 degrees to that. So then I have cos of 245. Stem julle saam, dis in kwadrant 3. Ja, juffrou. In quadrant 3, cos is negative. Okay. Van hier af is daar twee verskillende roetes om te volg. You can go and write that as negative sign of 25. Okay? As ons ons co-functies gebruik. If you use your co-functions. Because 90 minus 25 is 65. So you can do that. Or from there, you have 65 filled in on your triangle. So that's a lot easier. Jy werk net direk van hom af. En sê ons werk nou van die 65 grade af. Wat is aangrensend aan 65? P. And this one remains the hypotenuse. Ek wil sommer net gou vir julle wys. Sien julle? Sin van 25 gee vir jou dit. En cos van 65 gee vir jou dit. Want ons het mos gesê, daai twee goed is gelyk aan mekaar. Those two things are equal to one another. So the sign changes to a cos, or the cos changes to a sine, if you are working with the co-function. So do you see that you get the same answer, regardless of which one of the two you use? Okay, en dan die laaste ene wat julle vir huiswerk gehad het. In watter kwadrant is die ene? Fourth quadrant. 360 degrees minus 65. So we've got negative sine of 65, which is equal to negative, is it 2 over, gaan net gou hierdie check. So ons werk met die 65 grade, oorstaande is nou 2, so opposite is 2, and the hypotenuse is root of what?